This video lesson is designed for Geography Map Work for Chapter 4 Agriculture. The learning objective is to identify the major producers of agriculture crops in India. This map shows the major and minor areas of rice production in India. The rice producing area is mainly spread throughout India, as we can see, as well as North India as well as in South India, and it mostly covers the plain areas, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, and the east coastal plain with the deltas such as Kaveri Delta, Krishna Godavari Delta, and Mahanadi deltas. The largest rice producing state is the West Bengal. The second largest is the Uttar Pradesh, and the third is the Punjab. The first is the West Bengal, and the second largest rice producing state is Uttar Pradesh, and the third one is Punjab. This map depicts the major and minor areas of wheat growing areas in India, where the wheat is mostly produced in India. So it mostly covers the areas of North India, especially the Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh. So here the largest wheat producing state in India is UP. The second largest is the Punjab, and the third one is the Haryana, which is the largest producer as well as the consumer of wheat in India is the Haryana. The first one is the Uttar Pradesh, and the second largest wheat producing is Punjab, and third is Haryana. Rice and wheat, India is the largest producer of sugarcane, tea, coffee, rubber, cotton, and jute. So the largest producer of sugarcane is UP, and the Assam is the largest producer of tea, and Karnataka is the largest producer of coffee in India, and the largest producer of rubber is Kerala, and the largest producer of cotton is Gujarat, and West Bengal is the largest producer of jute in India. Overall, the West Bengal is the largest producer of rice and jute in India, and Uttar Pradesh is also the largest producer of wheat and sugarcane.
Let's first identify the top 3 rice producers in India. The largest rice producing state in India is West Bengal. And the second largest rice producing state is Uttar Pradesh. And the third largest rice producing state is Punjab. Now let's identify the top 3 wheat producers in India. The largest wheat producing state is Uttar Pradesh. And the second largest wheat producing state is Punjab. And the third largest wheat producing state is Haryana. Okay, let's identify the largest producer of each crop that is given on the slide. The first one is the sugarcane. So the largest producer of sugarcane is Uttar Pradesh. And the largest producer of tea is Assam. And the largest producer of coffee is Karnataka. And the largest producer of rubber is Kerala. And the largest producer of cotton is Gujarat. The largest producer of jute is West Bengal.